Hi friends, we are so happy that you are here with us, and today we will show you how to get access to the history of all your comments on Instagram. So if this topic is interesting, let's go to the watching. The first step is to open our Insta. Right now we are on homepage, so let's go to the profile one. After clicking on it at the bottom panel of the screen, later we need to use the three lines icon at the top of the display and choose the second option like your activity. Later let's pick on the interactions, and well done. As you can check, we have the first option, comments. Let's click on it too, and here we have the history of all your own comments which you have smoothly and successfully added to another accounts, to another users, for another users. And also we have another options like likes, stories, replies, reviews, etc. You can also check all of your choices, all of the history here. So guys, if you really like this tutorial, if it was useful, don't forget about likes, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out more cool instructions and also tutorials, guides about Instagram and other apps. So good luck, goodbye.